There's a Livy. Where's the rain at? Come here. Come here. Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. Oh well, he ate something. Not sure what. She really got hurt by that fox. Poor baby. Poor baby. Chicken Little, you're losing your feathers again. And this is Donna Summer. Chicken Little. And Uno, because he's the only one left out of John T. 6. And here comes the babies. Leave the chickens alone. She's taking off. I don't blame her. Hey! That's a good baby. That's a good baby. Okay. And this is the farm with all the babies. Livy. Olivia, what are you looking at? She won't look at the camera though. You gotta leave her alone. She doesn't want to play. And so it goes on. And there's 6 babies. Ouch. What are you doing? That's my foot. They only get out so often. At 6 o'clock, then they can run around for a little while. As you can see, Chicken Little is not afraid of Olivia at all, because Olivia moves slow and quiet. She doesn't much like him though, because he always bites everything. No! Okay, I wonder if it's starting to rain, so I guess we'll stop. I did this for Isaac. I hope he likes this. And I'll send it to my other grandkids too. Maybe they'll like it. Goodbye, girls.